In Utah, driving without car insurance isn't just risky, it's also illegal. Utah drivers are required to carry minimum liability coverage, which can run you about $42 a month on average. But what if we told you there's a way to slash those rates while still getting solid coverage? That's what this video is all about. Stick around, because we're diving deep into Utah car insurance, breaking down rates from the top providers, revealing insider tips and tricks, and showing you the secret weapon savvy shoppers use to secure the best deals. Whether you're a lifelong Utah resident or just curious about how to save big, this video will leave you feeling like a car insurance pro. Plus, the real magic happens when you go to FreeAdvice.com and use our free quote tool to compare all your options. Trust us, your wallet will thank you. We don't play around with saving you money. So let's get started. Before diving into all the tips and tricks and strategies to save money, let's first cover Utah's insurance laws so we're clear on the essentials. Utah's auto insurance laws are strict, so it's crucial to know what's required to stay on the right side of the law. Utah is a no-fault state, meaning your car insurance takes care of medical expenses and injuries for you and your passengers, no matter who caused the accident. To ensure this protection, Utah requires all drivers to carry personal injury protection, PIP, also known as no-fault insurance. This coverage acts as a financial buffer for medical costs after an accident, with a minimum requirement of $3,000 per accident. However, PIP coverage only applies to medical bills, not vehicle damage. For vehicle repairs, you need to file a third-party claim or lawsuit against the at-fault driver. To avoid unexpected out-of-pocket expenses, it's crucial to have adequate insurance coverage. The easiest way to secure it? Visit FreeAdvice.com and use our free quote tool. Just enter your zip code, answer a few quick prompts, and quickly compare your options. I bet you'll be surprised at how easy it is to compare customized insurance quotes from the top providers in your area. Now let's circle back to staying compliant with the law. One essential piece of required coverage in Utah is liability insurance. It's absolutely non-negotiable. Liability car insurance covers damages you cause others and their property in an accident. And the Utah car insurance requirements for minimum liability coverage are $25,000 for bodily injury per person, $65,000 per accident, and $15,000 for property damage. If you're involved in an accident, Utah allows residents to sue at-fault drivers for vehicle repairs and property damage. If you're the one at fault, your liability insurance will cover the costs to the policy limit, but anything beyond comes out of your pocket. So minimum coverage or more protection, it's your call. The minimum ensures you're driving legally, but it might not be enough. The key is finding affordable, full coverage that fits your budget. FreeAdvice.com can help you with that. Check out our website, enter your zip code, provide a few details, and instantly see personalized options tailored to your needs and budget. In just a few clicks, you can explore your choices, find the best coverage, and save hundreds this year. However, there's still something else every Utah driver needs to be aware of: the state's DUI laws. Utah takes drunk driving very seriously, and for good reason. Their blood alcohol limit is a super strict 0.05%, way lower than most other states. For young drivers under 21, even one sip of alcohol can land you a DUI. A first DUI in Utah comes with a jail sentence, community service, and a hefty fine. Second and third offenses come with harsher punishments, including years behind bars. On top of that, your license gets suspended for 2 years, and your wallet takes a hit with thousands of dollars in fees. The worst part? Driving under the influence can have deadly consequences. Tragically, 22% of traffic fatalities in Utah involve a driver impaired by alcohol. A DUI can also make finding affordable car insurance a nightmare. But that's where FreeAdvice.com comes in. We can help you explore your options even if you've had a DUI in the past. But seriously, folks, don't drink and drive. We will help you find the best deal, but of course you need to avoid drinking while impaired altogether. Now that we've addressed the legal considerations, let's explore how to save money on your car insurance in Utah. We compared rates from the top 10 insurance companies, and guess what? There's a whopping $372 difference per year just for minimum coverage. Imagine what you could save with a little shopping around. Among the top 10 car insurance providers in Utah, USAA leads the pack with minimum coverage starting at just $34 per month. However, USAA is exclusively available to military members, veterans, their families. If that's not an option, the next most affordable car insurance in Utah is $50 a month with Geico, followed by Travelers at a competitive $61 monthly. On the higher end, Liberty Mutual averages $82 per month for minimum coverage in Utah, and that's a significant price gap. Choosing Geico over Liberty Mutual could save you $384 annually. These numbers are just highlighting how much you can save by shopping around and comparing quotes. See what you can save by making a beeline to FreeAdvice.com. Simply use our free quote generator to compare personalized car insurance rates from the top companies in just minutes. Be sure you don't leave money on the table. Start saving today. But what we've covered so far only applies to minimum coverage. If you're looking for more protection, you want to consider full coverage auto insurance. Full coverage includes collision, comprehensive insurance, building on your minimum liability requirements. This added protection covers situations like handling repairs if you accidentally back into another car in a parking lot, or if your vehicle is damaged by vandalism or natural disasters. How much should you pay for full coverage car insurance in Utah? We compared rates from the top providers in the state, and let me tell you, there's a gold mine of savings waiting to be discovered. USAA takes the crown at a very reasonable $77 a month, but that's for only military members and veterans. For everyone else, Geico swoops in at the most affordable option at $113 a month. On the other hand, Liberty Mutual comes in at a hefty $183 a month. Now, switching to Geico could save you a cool $840 a year. These numbers just show how much rates can fluctuate, even among top providers in the same state. So the point is, shopping around can make a huge difference. Don't settle for the first quote you get. Go to FreeAdvice.com. Use our free quote tool. Get customized rates from the top insurers near you. It only takes a few minutes and could save you hundreds of dollars. It's that simple. But let's be realistic. Accidents happen. Even the most cautious drivers can make mistakes and find themselves in unfortunate situations. DUI convictions in Utah can dramatically increase your insurance premiums, sometimes by as much as 75%. However, the impact on your rates varies by insurance provider. Some companies are more understanding than others. Let's explore these rates in more detail. Not all car insurance companies follow the same rate increases. In fact, some increases much less than their competitors after a serious offense. For car insurance after a DUI in Utah, USAA has the lowest monthly rate of $138, which is a $61 increase on what you would pay with a clean record. If you're not eligible for USAA, then Progressive has the lowest rates for you. They average $166 a month after DUI. That's a $20 increase from their clean driving record premiums. Now let's talk about the biggest increase. American Family charges $162 for a clean record, but a whopping $312 for drivers with a DUI on their record. So choosing Progressive over American Family after a DUI in Utah would save you $1,752 a year. The moral of the story, compare rates before you buy. Head to FreeAdvice.com to find the most budget-friendly car insurance options. You'll get tailored quotes in minutes. Using the quote comparison tool at FreeAdvice.com, you'll save time, save money, and get back on the road with affordable car insurance in no time. But let's explore some helpful tips that can further guide you in your quest to find the best and most budget-friendly car insurance in Utah. The truth is, the perfect Utah car insurance company depends on you, your age, how much coverage you need. It all plays a part. Ideally, you want full coverage to protect your car completely. In Utah, that will run you about $95 a month on average. With Geico offering among the sweetest rates, ways to lower your bill include increasing your deductible, the amount you pay upfront before insurance kicks in, or trimming your coverage. Another great way to save? Discounts. While Allstate is the best for discount variety in Utah, Nationwide edges out their 24% 10% multi-policy discount with a 25% one. Other common discounts include those for being a safe driver, having anti-theft devices, and completing defensive driving courses. Don't forget our best tip. Shopping around online is the easiest way to score cheap car insurance in Utah. Compare quotes from multiple providers at FreeAdvice.com. That way you know you're not overpaying for coverage you don't need. Now that's the scoop on the Beehive State's car insurance. We've covered everything from state-mandated minimum requirements to the significant price differences among the top providers, with Geico offering minimum coverage for as low as $33 a month. On top of that, we also discuss tips to lower your insurance costs, such as increasing your deductible, bundling policies for discounts, and taking advantage of safe driver or anti-theft incentives. And the key takeaway? Shopping around is essential, as rates can vary widely based on your provider coverage, needs, and driving history. So make sure to visit FreeAdvice.com, enter your zip code. Let us simplify the process to find you your best deal. In just a few clicks, you'll get quotes from the top car insurance providers tailored to your needs. Say goodbye to the stress of shopping around and hello to surprisingly low rates customized just for you. If this video helped you better understand the ins and outs of Utah car insurance, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips, provider reviews, and insurance updates. Each week, we bring you insights on coverage you need and what to skip, the best providers in your area, the cheapest cars to insure, and the safest options. All this to save you money while keeping you protected on the road. We'd love to hear about your experiences too. Drop a comment below. Share your story. Your feedback could be what helps others find the best deal to avoid potential issues. And if you know someone stuck overpaying for car insurance, why not share this video with them? A little knowledge can go a long way, and you can help them save big. Speaking of big savings, don't miss our head-to-head showdown between Geico and Allstate. These insurance giants are major players nationwide, and we reveal which one could save you a whopping $4,000 a year. Thanks for tuning into this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.